Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all having a fantastic day. As you can tell by the title, today's video is going to be another like drugstore, best at the drugstore type videos where I share with you a certain category of makeup products that is just drugstore affordable products. So today we're going to be focusing on affordable foundations and mostly like natural light coverage dewy foundations, something that someone who wants more of a natural look would go towards. So I have a few foundations behind me to talk about, but before I get into that, I just want to say I know I've been gone for quite a bit. If you can tell by my voice, I am a little sick, so I did get sick last weekend and wasn't able to film, and then I've also been really busy with school and everything, but I promise I'm going to try my best to get right back into it and start making more videos for you guys and getting back on schedule. So thank you so much for being so understanding about that little break there, but I am back and ready to film more videos for you guys. So without further ado, let's get right on into this video. So as I already pointed out, the foundations I'm going to be sharing with you today are mostly like those fresh, very your skin but better foundations, the ones that don't give you full coverage but still give you something really nice to work with. I really like these foundations on lighter makeup days, or in the winter when my skin's really dry, or even in the summer when I just want a very light, fresh face of makeup that I don't have to sweat off throughout the day. So let's just get right on into the foundations. The first one I'm going to talk about is the L'Oreal True Match Lumi Healthy Luminous Makeup, and this is what this looks like right here. But this is one of my favorite foundations. I know it's an oldie, but it's definitely a goodie. If you're looking for something that, again, is that very luminous look, you have drier skin and you want something hydrating, something that will make your skin look very beautiful, this is the one I would go towards. I'm in the shade N1 to 2. It is a buildable foundation. I would say you can get like medium coverage out of this, but it looks very nice on the skin. You can wear it like just alone. You can mix it in with other foundations to make them more dewy and stuff, so it's very nice. I would say you can use this if you have dry or normal skin. I don't know how much you'll like it if you have oily skin, just because it is pretty dewy, but it is affordable. It is one to give a go. It is one of the most expensive I have to share with you guys today, but still at the drugstore, still easy to grab. And this one has SPF 20, so it's nice because you have that little bit of protection, and you get 30 milliliters. I will say though that this one does flash back, so just be mindful of that. If you're going to be wearing this one, make sure you're not taking flash photography or anything like that, because it will give you flashback. But other than that, wearing it just when you're out and about is a great foundation. I really like it. It doesn't break me out. It has vitamin C and E in it, so good ingredients. Really nice bottle, comes with a pump. I really like this foundation. It does wear quite a bit too, so really good one right here. Alright, the next one I have to talk about is also on the pricier side of the drugstore, but it is absolutely amazing, like absolutely amazing. It is a newer discovery for me, but I've been using it so much that I just had to talk about it today, and that is the Physicians Formula The Healthy Foundation Brightening Complex. So this is for all skin types. It comes in this beautiful glass bottle. Like, this reminds me of something from like Dior or something. I think it's beautiful. And I have mine the shade LN3. I will say Physicians Formula is not the best with shade ranges. Usually their foundations come in like 2 or 3 shades. This one does come in more, but still it'd be great for them to expand it because it doesn't go too deep. Hopefully in the future they do expand it so more people can use the foundation. But other than that, the formula on this is really nice. You get this huge big applicator right here, which I do like because it's easy to apply all over the face, blend it out, and it's really easy. This foundation right here is amazing. Looks so beautiful on the skin. It actually doesn't even clog your pores, so you're not going to get acne or breakouts or clogged pores from it. So it's a really great formula, really great ingredients in this one as well, and it just looks so healthy on the skin. It kind of gives you that no makeup look. It's like your skin but better. Doesn't look cakey on the skin or anything like that. I can literally put like so much powder on top of this foundation and it just takes it in so well, which is absolutely amazing. I love that about it. I've been using this so much. I actually used it in a fall glam tutorial recently, and I'll link that below for you guys to watch, but I used this foundation and it looked absolutely gorgeous. I've really been loving it, you know, especially for school every day. It's very quick to apply. I just put that all over my face, blend it out with a sponge real quick, and it looks flawless. It does give like light to medium coverage, but you can definitely build it up in spots that you need it, and I think that's great. I think a lot of people will like this just because of how amazing it looks on the skin. It looks really, really nice. The formula is beautiful. So I'd highly recommend this foundation to any of you looking for like that beautiful, flawless formula. This is it right here. It is not the most long wearing. I would say it gives me around like 7 to 8 hours, and then it starts looking a little oily, but a little pressed powder fixes that, and then you can make it last longer by touching it up throughout the day. So that's my thoughts on this. The next foundation right here, I haven't heard anybody talking about, so I had to mention it today, and that is the Essence Fresh and Fit Awake Makeup Healthy Glow Foundation, and this one has vitamin complex and cranberry water. Again, shade range for this sucks. They really need to step it up at the drugstore. I've said this in so many videos, but they really, really need to, because not enough people can try these products if you don't have the shades. So yeah, anyways though, I'm in the shade 10 Fresh Ivory. It is a little light for me right now, but when I'm at my fairest, this one works. So this one right here is very, very light coverage. It's probably the lightest coverage out of any of these foundations I have here to talk about. Like, think of like the Makeup Forever Face and Body. I know they don't make that anymore, but that type of formula, that very light water-like consistency formula. So this one works best with a brush, because with a sponge it will just kind of absorb the foundation and then you won't get the coverage out of it. So use this with like a very dense brush, and this one's just gorgeous. It looks like your skin literally in a foundation. Very, very light coverage, but I like this for those very, very minimal makeup days. If you're someone who wants just barely anything, this is beautiful right here. It looks fresh and nice on the skin. Super, super inexpensive. Comes in a nice glass bottle. I love that with a pump, so that's amazing. The formula on this is not the most long wearing. Again, a lot of these aren't, just because they are that dewy consistency, but this one doesn't start getting like cakey or anything like that. It just starts kind of fading away a little bit after like that 7-8 hour mark. But if you want something very like nice on the skin, it doesn't exaggerate texture or anything like that, this is a great one. This is the one I would suggest using with a brush, whereas the other ones you can use with a brush or sponge depending on what you like. Usually I like using a sponge to give me that more flawless look and to blend everything out seamlessly, but this one works really nicely with a brush. Next, I have the LA Girl Pro BB Cream, and this one right here is very, very inexpensive. I have mine in the shade Fair. This one does come in quite a few shades. This one claims to be an all-in-one product. It claims to prime, moisturize, and enhance the skin, and it is paraben and fragrance free. Great formula on this. Again, very light. If you're looking for a very easy product, this is perfect for every day, because you can just apply it really quickly with a sponge all over the skin. You can kind of skip, you know, primer and concealer with this and just apply a light powder, and then you're kind of done for the day. So I'd highly recommend this to any of you who just want a very fast makeup look. This one's perfect, very inexpensive, kind of an all year round product too. It works really nice in the summer or winter. It's not like too dewy where you can't wear it in the summer, but it still gives you that nice glow. Really nice like all skin type BB cream right here, and it's from the drugstore, so that's awesome. Alright, so now the last product I have to talk about is probably the most exciting. This is probably one of my favorites. Actually, I'd say like the Physicians Formula and this are like my top two like dewy, more natural foundations, and that is the Wet n Wild Mega Cushion Foundation with SPF 15. Guys, I am obsessed with this. I actually have finished this whole thing, so I need to order a new one off Ulta because they don't sell them here in Canada in store. I have mine in the shade Creamy Ivory, and this is a cushion foundation, so basically you just open it up like this, and then you have the product in here. My favorite way to use this is just taking like a wet sponge, dunking it in here, getting a lot of product on it, and just going all over the skin. This looks absolutely beautiful on the skin. I love this foundation so much. I can use it for glam days and just build it up, or I can use it for very, very natural days and use like a lighter hand of it. It's gorgeous on the skin. It actually gives you quite a nice wear, and when it does start wearing off, it doesn't look cakey or anything like that. It's gorgeous. I actually really like this for touching up makeup too. Your makeup could be like ruined, and you can take a bit of this and apply on top, and it looks flawless still. So this is amazing. It's a nice little compact, so it's great for traveling too. You can put it in your purse and touch up your makeup throughout the day. It's amazing. Looks gorgeous on the skin. If you have like acne prone skin or a lot of texture, this won't emphasize any of that. It will just kind of you know, kind of blur that out, blur those lines out. It's nice and hydrating, and it has coconut water, I believe, in it, so that's nice. Very nice all year round foundation. I highly recommend this for any of you out there who are looking for a very inexpensive option. This is gorgeous on the skin. I can't even explain to you guys how beautiful the formula is on this. It's amazing. Out of this world. Love it. You guys need this. All of you need this product. Alright guys, so that's all the foundations I had to talk about today. I hope this video is helpful to any of you who have drier skin or want a lighter, more fresh foundation. These are some great ones from the drugstore that I'd highly recommend to any of you out there. But thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Let me know down below in the comments what you want to see next on my channel. But I love you guys so much. I hope you're having a fantastic day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.